At times you might want to just delete a single sensor and pair the sensor back again. The reasons for this could be if the sensor's having issues and you want to recalibrate it. So pairing the sensor again will fix these issues. So pairing the sensor again will fix these issues. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take the battery out of the sensor. So take it off the car, pop the battery out. It can only pop out like one way. So just take the battery out. So we'll remove the battery. Then turn your screen on so you're on the home screen here. Then we just want to press the right hand button, which is the negative button, plus, minus, and middle button. So we're going to press this and we see like ID come out. So now if I press either the plus or minus button, it takes me through all the tyre positions that have an ID on them. Then to delete a single sensor, so we can see we're in the front right hand tyre here, I'm going to press the middle button. It says DE1, which means delete one. Then I'm going to press and hold the middle button. And it's going to beep, and now that has been deleted. So you'll see if I scroll through them now, I've only got these two tyre positions paired. So that's the sensor deleted. So now I'm going to press and hold the minus button to go back to the main screen. Now to get to the bonding screen, which is where you pair them, I'm going to press and hold the minus button again. See it says ID and bond. And I'm going to put it on the front left-hand tyre. That's going to be fine. So what we're going to do now is have it flash on like 11, and I'm going to put the battery in here. You'll see straight away it's been paired. So just confirm this by pressing the middle button and then press and hold the minus button until I exit again to the main screen. And you can see we now have a sensor in our front left hand tyre there. So we've paired that sensor.